Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 screws at the rear of the base cover. Remove the 6 other screws and use a plastic scribe to pry the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the 3 screws. Lift the drive out of the system and flip it over. Remove the single screw to fully disconnect the drive from the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, install the singular screw. Flip the drive over and place it in the system. Tighten the 3 screws to secure it. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 total screws to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.